Hello and welcome. Me myself Shubham Kumar. I am from New Delhi, India. I am as fifth year medical student here in Sumy State University in Ukraine. This university is top ranked university. Actually, you may see everywhere this university is the top fourth ranked university in whole country in Ukraine. So I am standing over here in the main campus of this university. You can see around from the right side, you can see there's a main building, whole library, the big library we have, and back you can see the behind side, like the behind we can see an administrative block. It's an administrative building. You can see it's a big one, you can see. So as I already told you about my medicine, I am very interested in the medical faculty as I'm a fifth year medical student. So I'm going to tell you about my medical faculties. The faculties over here, they're very cooperative. All the teachers, they have professional, they are experienced first of all, and we have professors, we do lectures, we do practical, we do theories over here. We have many, they have overall you know as well, there are 19 subjects related to medicine. So I'm going to tell you about each and everything about this university. This university, they have good faculties, but most probably I like amongst them is anatomy, because I used to pursuing for my PhD and I love anatomy seriously. So I'm gonna start with my own experience. Actually, when we used to come from India, we have many questions in our mind, like we have questions like what we will do there, who will help us, everything. Actually, there is very easy situations. There's no difficulties. We used to feel like that. So I'm going to tell you that when I was in first year, I have many questions, like languages, like teachers, like helping natures, everything. But here, all of the Ukrainians, many Indians, they are very helpful to us. Even our agents, our contractors, they used to help us every time. At what time, any time, I can say. Nobody need to worry about any question, anything over here. Trust me. So as I'm Indian and I'm from Delhi, so I will use my mother tongue, obviously. So I'm going to tell you that this university provides support. This university provides us faculties. This university provide us the thing that we already know, but we don't know when we were in India. Now, अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के हॉस्टल, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के accommodations, they are very affordable. Easily, you can pay it easily. You don't have to think. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ, फैकल्टीज़ के बारे में बता चुका हूँ. आपको बताता हूँ हॉस्टल्स में हमारे डिफरेंट हॉस्टल्स होते हैं फॉर गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़. वी हैव मेनी करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ ओवर देयर. लाइक वी कैन से दैट हमें पता है यहाँ पे ओलंपिक्स में भी स्टूडेंट्स जा चुके हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी. यू कैन परस्यू फॉर ओलंपिक्स इवन. एंड अबाउट द इंडियन फूड्स, इट्स वेरी इजी. हमें इंडियन फूड्स यहाँ पे जब चाहे, कैसा भी चाहे, अफोर्डेबल एंड मिल जाता है. बहुत आराम से मिलता है. सीरियसली, सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे लगी जब मैं आया था यहाँ फर्स्ट ईयर में, दैट यहाँ पर इंडियन फूड्स अवेलेबल हैं. इन यूरोप कंट्रीज़, इन यूरोप डिफरेंट कंट्री, वी डोंट इवन गेट द फूड्स, इंडियन फूड्स. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक I can say around more than 1,000. I never count them. More than 1,000 students are studying here. More than 1,000 students, Indian students. So यहाँ पर climate, awesome climate. Weather, you can feel 5 types, 6 types, 7 types of seasons over here. Overall, we know that कि 4 तरीके के होते हैं seasons. But here you can feel each and every type of seasons. Yes, one more thing. यहाँ के students के nature, I love them. Seriously, I love Ukrainian peoples because they used to help us every time. I'm not lying here right now. At last मैं ये आशा करता हूँ कि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं, in future they will come. मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि उनको कभी 1% की भी डिफिकल्टीज फील नहीं होगी, and they'll easily become a good, bright doctors. Trust me. Thank you.